she's a vampire. She likes to bite him on the neck. Why is she so bad?
Not me. Max is the one that I like him.
Oh, jeez, she's getting him on the elbow. We have to put her back out in the wild.
I love how Max just keeps his mouth open the whole time.
Yeah, he's ready to bite her anytime she comes near. She does too a lot.
She's like touching his teeth. Oh, she's touching his mouth.
Get him, Katniss. Get him. Oh, she's gone.